There we go. I feel like I'm gonna die.
Dude, I think Evan just broke a glass ball on his while he's driving. Or it sounded like that.
Yeah, I heard a bang. I don't think it was glass.
You and Alex versus me and Troy.
You just need to hold it up?
Every time we get shot, every time we get shot, you touch the front door. Every time me and Troy get shot, we touch the back door. No spawn camping.
See, the thing about the vertical foregrip is that it has that rotation. Like it rotates over your hand. It's not as accurate. That's why I don't like to my mine. I grab it like this, and it's a lot more stable.
Yeah, I do it kind of like where it comes down at kind of vertical a little bit.
People like to have something because it's a rail. You gotta put something on it, but you really don't. So
yeah, I just prefer it like that because when I'm in combat, I like to put that up there, kind of like that. That way, I don't mess up the bottom of the gun because that thing is like glass.
Wait, I heard some glass.
anyways, for the time being, because I'm used to not having on, so
yeah. It's a really good gun though. Like for backyard, it's good.
I don't know how many times.
Yeah, we were doing Juggernaut. One of us has like the machine gun on fully automatic, and the other two are just trying to get each other.
let's see what is it.
Hey, Dad, shoot me with the ratchet.
I just want to see where it hits.
Yeah, to fix that, pull the bolt back.
Can you adjust this? Or?
No, the hop up is on the other side now. And then
can you fix it so it doesn't? Why hop up? Why not just shoot where you want to shoot?
I have no idea.
Just
Probably
make it shoot where you want it to shoot. I don't know what that hop up is.
Probably some Chinese guy did that.
That hop up is, I don't know, just maybe.
Alright, that should be better now. I'm not sure which direction it's going.
If you have a gun, make sure it shoots where you want it to shoot. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, can we get started now?
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Shoot me or Troy. Do not shoot him. Me and Troy.
Okay, what are we doing? Like, you guys gonna be in the back of the house or what?
Yeah, if when we get shot, me and Troy, you touch the back door. And you two get shot, you touch the front door. Doesn't that simple enough? And then you can go back and shoot.
Okay, well.
Troy, are you
Get the hell out of here.
What?
Okay, let's go to the back door.
Are you already recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can shave some of it out to where it's
Okay, good.
right to the action.
Well, you don't have to if you don't want.
Ready?
Go!
Daggone cat, get out of here. Oh, I think I got the cat. Right, Joy.
I bet they're coming from behind.
Maybe your dad might ambush us. Oh my god. I think I get hit.
Huh?
I think I get hit. Hit! Yeah, I think so.
Okay, now it doesn't have enough power.
It doesn't have enough power?
Yeah, it's coming off.
Yeah, I can't fix that.
It's
It just
such
says
being
hop up.
alarm.
It's showing that hop up makes it like a 20 FPS difference, but
Alex, why can't I
I'm
use a
not sure.
pistol? 'Cause I don't like
You wanna make the hop up go up now?
Please,
Looks
can
like
I use a
it had
pistol?
more power when the hop up was on.
Alright,
Hey Troy, Alex is too much of an asshole to let me use his pistol, so I'm gonna be running around the arm. Just for what?
it broke, so that doesn't go back down.
These guns are kind of sensitive.
Alright, that might work.
So you guys want to switch respawn points?
He's got more power. It doesn't matter. We go back.
Huh?
I like that shotgun. Did I get you at all?
Huh?
Did I get you at all?
You got me on my arm.
I'll be right back.
I just scanned you.
Oh, right here. I don't know. I was like right this, and then he just kind of went
Yeah.
my arm a little bit.
I swear I'm too good. I need some way to protect myself.
I got an idea. We can still utilize this.
Huh?
We can still utilize this. Utilize it like that. Just in case.
No!
Oh no. What?
Did I hit you?
No, I don't think so. Why'd you do that?
Because I thought I hit
You already hit.
you. Hit!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah ha 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 ha.
I was about to go for it wrong.
You got you?
Yeah, I was trying to reload. I was gonna respawn. I don't want to respawn now. Just gonna sneak a respawn. Respawn.
Damn it, my thumb.
And they have knocked over pot. Ah. I'm already dead. I'm gonna go over to the other side to respawn.
Take your action with me.
I'm gonna respawn on the other side.
You hit?
Yeah, I was gonna go over to the other side to respawn. That way.
Spawn here.
You were capping that one, so I was just gonna go over here to respawn.
So where you want me to go?
I'll just go back to the front. Yeah,
Which way? Turning?
that way. They're coming right over here. Right shield up, right shield up. Oh. I didn't bump it up, dadgummit.
What?
I didn't bump it up. I had a clear shot.
Did you shoot?
Well, I had a clear shot
You shot or what?
at you. I didn't bump it up, so I couldn't shoot.
Hey, you know, that doesn't count, though. You know, you gotta be ready.
Dadgum.
Did I get you?
Yeah, like here, and right in the thumb.
Did you shoot? Because I didn't feel anything.
You didn't? I shot.
Did you?
Yeah.
But I didn't feel anything, though.
Do you have Kevlar on?
No, it's just a regular
That must be tough.
Huh?
That must be tough.
I didn't feel a hit on it, man.
Really? You should probably watch your side. Blast him! Dadgummit.
Hey, you want to use the rifle now, Troy?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, it's better. You guys have a shield and we don't.
Well, we're still dominating you.
You have an automatic. Come on.
Well, have you heard me shooting it automatically?
Yeah, you can shoot automatic.
Okay, where's the ammo?
Well, there's not any kick, so you can't really miss.
Huh?
There's not any kick to it, so it's hard to miss. But with the gun, it is. With that one.
Troy, you like those goggles?
No.
Back?
They fog out really easily.
Now you got to go back and respawn over there.
You want to play goggles back, Troy?
Yeah.
I don't realize. Hey, who wants to switch teams?
I don't. I like these teams.
It might be a little fogged up already, so just...
I'm just
So what do you think of the battle?
You know what I love doing?
Huh?
I like taking
So what do you
these
think
and
of the battle so far?
You're tough.
Did you even put the camera at all?
Oh, yeah, camera's still on. I think it might have taken up all my data I had left.
I was like, I like taking this and then like, you know, unfogging it like.
Hey, I could use this as my mask.
that